Welcome to our tutorial on how to buy tickets for the Ghibli Museum in Mitaka, Japan. Let's walk through the steps to secure your tickets. First, you will need to visit the Ghibli Museum website. The link is in the description. Once you're on the website, you will have two options. Visitors may purchase tickets from overseas through one of the following methods: sales online by Lawson Ticket and special bus tour by Sunrise Tours JTB. Tickets are released on the 10th of each month for the following month, so plan accordingly. Now let's click on the Lawson Ticket. Scroll down the Lawson Ticket website to see the available tickets. Click on the See Details button to view all available dates and times for your ticket. Select the time on the date that you prefer, and you will see its details. Currently, all tickets are sold out, so I can't demonstrate the purchase process. However, once you have your preferred date selected, you will need to submit your details. After that, enter your payment information to complete the purchase. We hope this guide helps you secure your tickets to the Ghibli Museum. Thank you for watching.